Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix if is not turning on Infinix GT30. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, if you want to fix this problem, so check your charger. After check your charger, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last solution is restart device. Just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.